Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to send and sign agreements with QES in BoldSign, and how BoldSign and Evrotrust work together to support a secure, scalable signing process. Before we begin, let's quickly understand QES. A qualified electronic signature is the most secure type of e-signature under the eIDAS regulation. It is legally equivalent to a handwritten signature and provides strong protection against fraud. Now that we have a basic understanding of QES, let's take a moment to see how BoldSign and Evrotrust come together to make this possible. BoldSign and Evrotrust work together to deliver a complete qualified electronic signature. BoldSign manages the document workflow, while Evrotrust handles signer identity verification and QES signing in compliance with eIDAS requirements. As a mobile-first platform, Evrotrust enables signers to securely verify their identity and complete the signing process from their mobile devices. Security is built into every step with advanced biometric verification and secure data handling, helping ensure legal compliance and data protection. Evrotrust's scalable, API-driven architecture makes it easy for organizations to integrate QES capabilities into existing applications and workflows. Together, BoldSign and Evrotrust deliver secure, legally compliant, and tamper-proof qualified electronic signatures, QES. Now that we've seen how this works at a high level, let's go ahead and enable QES in BoldSign. To send a signature request, first I log into the BoldSign application and navigate to the Settings menu. Then I click on Business Profile to access the settings. Note that only the account administrator can access this page. Next, I scroll down to locate the Qualified Electronic Signatures QES option. By default, the QES feature is disabled for all users. When you try to enable QES, a dialog box will appear on your screen. Here, click the Contact Support button. A support request form will open and fill in all the required details. Make sure to provide accurate information. This helps the support team process your request faster. After submission, BoldSign support team will review your request. You'll receive a confirmation email once QES is enabled out for your account. Once you get the confirmation email, return to your BoldSign account settings. Now I enable the QES option to start using qualified electronic signatures for my documents. I click the Save Changes button to apply my settings. Next, to send the document by enabling QES for signers, I click Create New and select Create New Document. This opens the Prepare Document for Signing page, where I upload the Non-Disclosure Agreement NDA form by clicking Browse. Next, I enter the client's name and email in the Add Recipients section. Then I expand the signer settings where there is an option to enable Qualified Electronic Signature QES. Next, in the document section, I add the document title and message. I then click Next, which takes me to the Configure Fields page. I add the required form fields by dragging and dropping them into their designated slots. Then I review my changes and send the document for signatures. The document has now been successfully sent for signing. Next, let me switch to the signer's side and go through the signing process. I've received an email notification asking me to sign the document. I click Review and Sign and go to the document signing page, where I first accept the terms and conditions. Then I fill in the required form fields and click Verify. A verification dialog appears prompting identity confirmation via Evrotrust. This enables mobile-first, remote identity verification, allowing users to complete the process without any in-person interaction. To proceed with signing, you need an Evrotrust account. If you haven't registered yet, download the Evrotrust mobile app from here for Android and here for iOS, and complete the identity verification process. I verify my identity by providing my personal code, phone number, or email. I use my email address and click Verify. Upon clicking the verification button, I am redirected to the processing dialog, which displays a timer, verification ID, and transaction ID with a withdraw request link. This option is for withdrawing the request, preventing the signer from completing the signing process. For example, if you mistakenly sent the document for signing and need to revoke it, you can use the Withdraw Request option to cancel the signing process before it's completed. I've received a notification in the mobile app prompting me to sign the document. I tap Sign for free to complete the signing process. When the signing is successful, I am redirected to the BoldSign Sign Completion page. The signing process is now successfully completed. Let me show you the completed document and its audit trail, which I received in my email. First, I open the completed document. In the signature panel, you can see that the PDF is signed by signer's name. When I expand this section, you can see that the signature is a valid, qualified electronic signature under EU regulation. You can also check the certificate details under Signature Details. These certificate details verify the signer's identity, ensure the document remains untampered with through timestamp and encryption, and confirm compliance with eIDAS and legal standard. By having these details embedded in the document, you can confidently verify its legitimacy, making it legally valid and secure for business and regulatory purposes. Next, open the audit trail document. This contains a complete log of all actions, ending with the successful completion of the QES process. Every step in the process is verified and recorded, combining biometric verification and encryption to ensure both legal validity and tamper-proof protection. As you've seen, Evrotrust powers the entire signing process, from identity verification to qualified signature issuance, while integrating efficiently with BoldSign through its robust APIs. This scalable integration enables organizations to add QES capabilities with minimal disruption to existing workflows and user experiences. This creates a frictionless, user-friendly experience, allowing users to complete secure QES signing quickly from anywhere at any time. And with that, you have now seen how BoldSign and Evrotrust work together to deliver a complete qualified electronic signature workflow, from sending documents and verifying signer identities to compliant signing and audit tracking. BoldSign manages the document workflow, while Evrotrust provides mobile-first identity verification, eIDAS compliant signing, and scalable API-driven integration, creating a secure and seamless signing experience. And that's it. Your document is now securely signed using QES. Thank you for watching.